In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and create filters in HubSpot CRM, a tool that can significantly enhance how you manage your contacts and streamline your customer relationship management. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open HubSpot and ensure you're logged into your account. Logging in comfortably will give you access to all your CRM features and data. Once you're in, the first place to navigate is the trial guide. This is a crucial part of the process because the trial guide contains all the resources you need to get your form-building projects off the ground successfully. It's basically your go-to hub for all foundational tasks, tips, and guidance. Once you're familiar with the trial guide, direct your attention to your homepage. Here, in the main hub of your operations, click on the CRM section. This step is essential as it allows you access to all customer management features and interactions. From there, you'll want to select the Contacts option. This area is where all your contacts are stored, and it is the nucleus for all the data you need to organize and manage your relationships efficiently. At this point, to truly harness the power of HubSpot, you need to master the use of advanced filters. Click on Advanced Filters, and this is where the real magic happens. Using these filters, you can sort through your contact lists according to the criteria that best suit your needs. It could be anything from sorting by the date added, last interaction, deal stage, or any other custom property you've set up in your system. The advanced filtering functionality is exceptionally powerful, allowing you to create a more targeted and specific view of your contacts. This can significantly aid in personalizing your communication and streamline your customer engagement efforts. Once in the filter section, don't hesitate to take advantage of the Add Filter options. You can add multiple layers of conditions and criteria to sift through your contacts with precision. This feature is instrumental, especially for marketing campaigns, where segmenting your audience plays a key role in the success of your venture. Remember, the better segmented your contacts are, the better tailored your communication can be. While using these filters, take your time to familiarize yourself with the different options available. Each filter can be customized and adjusted to meet evolving business needs, so don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time. Experiment with various settings to discover what displays the most valuable information for your tasks. By the end of this process, you should feel confident in your ability to create tailored contact lists that are perfectly aligned with your business objectives. As you continue to explore and use these features, you'll notice an increase in your efficiency and effectiveness in managing your customer relationships. Good luck, and remember, experimentation is key to mastering HubSpot CRM filters. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below.